take a look at the market this morning. The SPY, the SPY, we're pretty much at yesterday's close. Not much happened yesterday. It fluctuated between 280 and 282 area. The daily here still looks good. Still looks good. It's been in this zone here between 275 and 285 area for about a month now. So we're due for a good sized move sometime soon. You know, it could go either way, but trend is up, so most likely it will be up. Let's take a look at our watch list down here. Pretty even to the downside and the upside. You know, CVS is moving pretty good this morning. CNC, this one's down quite a bit. AXSM, 70% up. BA's in the news this morning a little bit. But we'll see what the market gives us today, and we'll try to get what we can get. CNC, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if it can hit us. All right, we're in. We're in at 50.35. Day looks okay for a short. It's been consolidating in this area for a while. And intraday gaps down and is being bought up right now. Oh, there it goes. It's getting a squeeze here. Stop loss was over 51. Let's let it breathe here for a second. Target, I like it below 50. This could just be a little squeeze here. All right, it's hanging out right here at our stop loss area here. You know what, we're gonna come out of this. No, actually we're gonna come out of this right here. Doesn't want to hit us. CNC, we're gonna come out of this right here. We're out. Out for a loss of about a little over a point. Yeah, I don't like that. The market's going up. I got in it and it automatically squeezed on me, and it didn't want to give up. And now it's going to give up. But yeah, took a loss on that for about a little over a point. WCG, we're going to take this for a long right here at the bid if we can get hit. All right, we're in. We're in for 100. All right, we'll leave that 100. All right, we're up quite a bit here. All right, we're going to take this right here. All right, we're out. Nice. Nice. We got 2 points and 25 cents on that one. Only had 100 shares, though. That was a quick trade. It was just about to break out over the top, and I had seen earlier this morning that it was up at 285, so you know it's going to move. And as soon as it broke, it moved. That's nice. 2 points and about 25 cents off 100 shares. Well, it got us back to green that first CNC trade, which I was stupid on that one. I jumped in too soon on that one, and that's what happens. WCG, we're going to take this for a short here at the ask if we can get hit. Second trade on it. It's looking kind of weak here. And if it cracks this area here, it'll drop hard. It is up for the morning though, so it's pretty risky, but it's at a very good area where if it breaks, it'll just drop hard. All right, we're in. We're in at 254.88. This does not look good for a short, but because it's downtrending from the high here and it's so close to the lows here, I'm thinking this thing is going to bust this area here and collapse. Here it comes. We'll take it right at right below 254. We'll take it. Stop loss will be over 250, around 256 area. So it's a good size mover. So WCG, it's hanging out here pretty much at entry. Going to give it a little bit longer. If it doesn't work out, we're going to come out of it because it's up for the day, so I don't give those too much time. Now if the stock's going down, then I'll give it more leeway. If it's up like this, I don't give it as much, but it looks good here. It's taking quite a long time here. WCG, market's dropping. Market's telling me to stay in it, but I want to get out of it because it should have dropped already, and it's not dropping. I'm going to give it just a little bit longer, and if it don't drop, we're going to come out of it. Alright, we're squeezing here, so we're going to see what happens in a little bit. Come out of it as soon as the squeeze is over. Alright, just went through that big squeeze there, and it's coming back. That's a good sign. Market's still dropping, so the market's telling me to stay in it. Stop loss will be over 255.50 area. Target on this one, I like this one down to at least 254.50, very least. I had it earlier, but I didn't take it. All right, here it comes. There we go. There we go. That's what I was waiting for. It did it to the upside, but now it's doing it to the downside. Market is dropping, so I'm thinking we'll get a nice nice run here. We'll take it somewhere around 254 if it gets there. WCG, this thing's been taunting me here. I'm gonna come out of this right here if it gives it to us. Alright, we're out. We're out for about a third. Oh, and now it drops. Can you believe that? I can't believe that. Oh man, I waited and waited and waited, and as soon as I got out of it, it drops like that, and now it's gonna drop. That stinks. I can't believe that. But we got about 13 cents off that trade. I just, the stock is up for the morning. So when I short a stock that's up for the morning like that, I don't give it too much time. I gave this one a little bit more time because the market was dropping. So I'm like, we'll sit through it. Plus, we sat through a good sized squeeze there. And because the market was dropping, I sat through it. WCG, look at this thing. We got out of this a little while ago up here. Right up here at 254.75. And look, it collapsed right after we got out of it. Can't believe it. It's still going, still dropping. Look at this thing drop. WCG, we're going to take this for a long right here at the bid. All right, we're in. We're in at 253.38. This is our third trade on it. We took it long at the breakout in the open. Then we took it short, but we didn't get what we wanted out of it. But it's up so much today. We just put this bottoming tail in right here. So I'm thinking we're going to get a nice pop till at least 254. Over 254, we'll take it there. Stop loss will be around below 250, 250. All right, here it comes. See if we can get it a little bit higher, over 254. All right, we'll try to take this right here if it can get it. All right, we're out. Nice. Nice. A quick 80 cents. I could have pushed for a little bit more, but it was downtrending, and we had some good-sized candles. And there it goes. It's going up now. The stock was up for the morning, so it had a good-sized dip here. Plus, the market started to climb, as you can see. And that's what I needed to see in order to get in this trade. But look at how high it is. Look at how up it is today. So it took a nice dip there. There's a lot of buyers in this today. This thing's probably going to go back up to the top here and blast over. You never know. It's a good-sized mover. TSLA, we're going to take this for a long right here at the bid. If we can get hit. I like the pattern here. It's looking pretty good. All right, we're in for 100. You know what? We'll keep 100. And if it drops, we'll pick up another 50. Daily does not look good for long. Look at this thing. This thing's been downtrending for quite a while. But it put on a nice bottoming tail here. And the past few days has been pretty strong. Intraday, it gaps up a little bit. And it's been in this zone. Fight. Oh, here it comes. Target, I like it around 271, and stop loss will be around 269. Depending on the market, might take it earlier, you know. Let's take a look at this thing up close. It's looking good here. You know what? We're going to take this right here if we can get it. We're going to try to get rid of this right here if we can get it at the ask. Only 100 shares. All right, we're out. Only 100 shares, so I figured I'll take the 75 cents we got on that. I wish it was the full 150, but there it goes. It's still going. Still going. It's probably going to go some more. Market just reached yesterday's close, and it could turn around there and drop some more. Looks like it might pop over 271 and continue. But usually there's a lot of resistance at whole numbers there. But that's going to be it for me today. We're up 261. Let's take a look at the trades. Mostly winners and one loser. We took a good sized loser right at the open on CNC. And our biggest winner was WCG. Thanks for watching.